Hello.
Hey, hi, this is Nikki and this is my channel Sounds and I have a guest.
Hi, my name is Ranjana.
Okay, so basically she's one of my cousin and we are already in Goa and this is our dorm and we have couple of beds and I had my first beer.
Me too.
Ooh, crazy. She had her first beer, by the way.
First
like
beer.
the
You can
first
say that. My first beer.
So, let me show them the dorm, right?
Sure.
So I have a very interesting thing in my dorm. So that's how. Okay, hold on. Just can't move like that. So here, I think that's how you can see this. I think that's how you can see this. Is it visible? Check.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So they can see that, right?
Yeah, they can see that.
Okay.
Oh.
That's pretty nice. And these are the other things. These are the beds we have
You
here.
can say we have 6 beds.
Yeah, and yeah, we are just two left for now, and then I'll have my other people coming in. So yeah, crazy and nice.
Yes, you can say that. And the other 2 peoples.
Other two people are going to come on 7th. So till then we rule. Like we rule.
We both. We both.
Right. So why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Okay, she's extremely tired and I'm tired too. That's true. But yeah, I mean, she tried her beer. She's warm and happy now.
So it's Goa means beer.
Yeah,
So
man.
you can't drink water or a soft drink.
What did we buy? We bought the
Soft drink.
No, we bought 2 chicken sandwiches, and that was a $400. Like $400, and that is it even not worth because that did not taste really well.
And this
Sorry for the Goan
soft
people,
drink.
but Goa you need to cut down on that. Okay. But for her, the shock was when she saw 70 rupees of bottle of
Very shocked.
Mountain Dew, right?
Yeah, in Delhi.
And that's like that's for I think 35 bucks.
35 in Delhi.
$35 in Delhi, and that's sad. That's really sad.
Delhi's cheap, you can say that.
Delhi is cheap. Delhi is definitely cheap.
Yeah.
But yeah, but the beer was pretty cheap.
Yeah, you can say that.
150, 120, starting from, I saw VAT 69 for just 69 rupees,
I don't know.
which is really good. So I'm gonna try that tomorrow.
That's cool. But
Why are we talking about alcohol right now?
I think we should not talk about the alcohol. We should talk about the weather and the room where we right
The
now.
weather is awesome. It's
It's
raining,
raining
outside.
outside. It's full of romance. And we both are alone. We don't have anyone.
Is that your beer talking? I don't know what is it. Okay.
It's like Goa. Goa means fun.
What fun.
Fun can be anything. For everyone, fun's definition is different.
What is the definition for you?
For me, it's like entertainment. No, not this kind of entertainment. It's like the exploring and everything.
What are you exploring?
Like the place, because it's my first trip.
I'm just kidding.
It's my first trip.
So yeah, it's my first trip too.
It's your first trip. So, oh, nice.
Same pinch.
Same
My
pinch. I will
first
do it.
trip.
I will do it from here as well. Same pinch.
She's mad.
Yeah.
It's okay. That's how she is. You're not looking here. You have to look here.
Yeah, I am looking there.
Yeah,
as
there,
well.
there, like there.
There.
Yeah.
Watch me. Watch me.
Okay, so basically, for today, we would say that we landed at about 12:05.
Nah, yeah.
12:05. Lot of turbulence. This is probably the season when you get a lot of turbulence because of rain and a lot of cloud and everything. However, we were really hungry, so we had to take or buy those food. But the good part is that we found a great driver. Oh, the taxi charges were amazingly high, like
1800.
1800 with the night charges included in it, which is.
Because if you talk about Delhi and you can book Ola or Uber for
We'll
one and
probably
a
get Meru.
Ola or Uber, it would be less.
Shouldn't be talking about any brand.
Yeah, My apologies. My apologies.
Okay, this is my bed, and she's sitting on my bed.
Yeah.
She's my sister.
Don't think anything else.
She's my sister.
Don't
But
think
it's
anything
okay.
else.
Okay, relax, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hey, it's not my bed, but my bed is here. You can see
On-
that
on
as
the top,
on
yeah.
the top.
that's her bed.
You can see that as well.
That's her bed. Okay, that's her bed. Yeah, cool. I can't climb, of course. I won't be climbing. And I am the elder one. What I do is what I do. What she has to do is what I do. No, what I would ask you to do.
It's like ruler.
I rule you. No.
God save
So
me.
basically, you're having fun. Oh, by the way, there is this guy out here who's taking care of this place. He's amazingly cute.
Yeah.
You should visit this place. It's nice. I'll share the details of this place on my description below. But yeah, amazing place. Okay, for now we are really tired and we want to sleep. I have to also edit the video and then post it. So obviously a lot of work. So till then, bye.
Bye.
Keep watching my channel. Tomorrow we'll meet again with all the updates. Bye guys.
Bye.
So
Good night.
like, share and subscribe. What is it?
Like, share, and subscribe.
This video.
This video.
Right. Okay. See ya. Bye.
Bye.